kum kadak ban penpau ke jing penram jur halor ke jingja Shah Batbor ban Shah Pynïap Dusman ke Doktor HRG Kar Medical College Kolkata ke belajar ke khandai teri unailar araja arpusau ke Woodland Hospital Shillong kalau pentip bahaga khatnyau teri unailar araja arpusau ke outpatient department OPD jong ke hospital kan sange trikam kum juru kibor penyat ke Bethany Hospital kila penbena ban Khang ya ke OPD hakani ke segi kum kadak ke jing penram Habakran sikilat pathai kubor hakan no paisgi juga khandri teri unailar arja arpusau u Dr. Barman Senior Medical Specialist Woodland Hospital ulaong bakani ke jingpen sange trikam kandai na kapenta ke OPD hendrai kiwai pat kisnat trikam kum ke emergency services bat ke indoor clinic kin trikam na kapenta ki jingdon kam ki patba
condemning the alleged act of condemning the barbaric act of murder of young doctor or colleague in RG Medical College in Kolkata on the 9th of August. The Indian Medical Association had urged for nationwide like medical strike or stoppage of routine medical services tomorrow, that is on the 17th of August. So Woodland Hospital Shillong expresses its solidarity with the Indian Medical Association and the medical fraternity in general, and we have decided to suspend routine OPD services tomorrow, that is on the 17th of August, Saturday. However, emergency services, emergency laboratory services and our indoor clinics and all will perform uninterrupted so that we can cater to the sick and the serious patients. So any inconvenience to the public is regretted. We hope for support and solidarity from the public in general.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.